Hello, this is our hibiscus flower plant. इसे हिंदी में गुड़हल का पौधा कहते हैं. So you can see how nicely flowers are coming in this one, and it's growing very well, and there are many more buds are coming. This plant has very good flower, and flower is used as a tea because it have very nutritious value, and this is also called Hollywood hibiscus. So this is my 2-month-old plant, and I would like to show you what we are using here to add as a liquid fertilizer that is give a lot of flower, and its growth is increasing day by day. So it's very easy to give fertilizer. It's all organic fertilizer. And another plant I would like to show you, my vegetable plants. So let's go to see the okra plant from here. And here is this my another plant, which is a okra plant, और हिंदी में इसे भिंडी का पौधा कहते हैं. You can see there are many lady fingers. This is also called lady finger plant or okra plant. So here you can see this is my raised bed garden, and one plant, 2, 3, and some others are coming out. And here we have very beautiful flower of this one. The main thing here I would like to show you that this there are many ants stay on this plant. So here you can see there are too many ants. चींटियाँ बहुत आती हैं इस plants में. But we are adding homemade fertilizer, liquid fertilizer, which is from red onion, and that is why it's growing very well. And here you can see how many okra is coming. So this is 1, and then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So right now almost 12 bindis are here, and usually they grow first flower come, and after that flower come down, and then this okra start coming out. Another bud is here, you can see this one is coming. And we are using a red onion peel water. So we are basically using this liquid fertilizer, which is very good for mineral fertilizer, red onion peel water. And I would like to show you how we can make it and how we are using it in this one. So to grow the plant very well, to increase the productivity and add, so basically हम लोग लाल प्याज के छिलकों का पानी डालते हैं इसमें. बिल्कुल खनिज उर्वरक का काम करता है ये, और चींटियों को भगाने के लिए भी मददगार है. So let me show you how we can make a red onion liquid fertilizer. So here we have these 2 red onion, and these are all peelings. So we'll cut these onions also, and then we'll save these onion peels, collect all onion peels into one container, and I will soak them into water to add that water into the plants. So let's cut these 2 onion first. So now you can see we have cut these onion, and this is the peeling. Usually we throw them, so don't throw this peeling. I collected all these into one bowl, and then we'll soak them into the water. So let's this is for our food, this is for our plants. So we are going to add some water in this one. Now we'll soak these onion peel into the water. and leave them for 2 days in this water. So here we have to soak red onion peels in water for 2 days. So ये प्याज के छिलकों को पानी में 2 दिनों के लिए भिगोएं. 2 दिनों के बाद हम देखेंगे इसमें कैसा रंग आता है. So here you can see this is our red onion peel soaked in 1 to 2 days. This is only 24 hour has done, and still they are need to soak one more day. And here you can see all the water is got red in color or pink in color. So I will leave it for one more day, and then I will add this into plants. So ये लाल प्याज के छिलकों को 1 या 2 दिन पानी में भिगोएं, उसके बाद पौधों में डालें. So this is only 1 day, and I will wait for here you can see how nicely this is a red color is coming, and still they need to be soaked some more time. So leave it here for one more day, and then next day we'll add into the water plants. So now you can see this water is onion peel was soaked after 2 days. 2 दिनों के बाद ये कैसा है, बिल्कुल रेड हो गया है पानी. It is really red. And now I am keeping some water into this spraying bottle. Very gently we have to add. So this water we can add on the flowers where the ants come. Remaining this would be enough. So we'll so this will be ready. So let's go to add in the plants. So now as you can see there are 2 beautiful flowers are blown today in the Gudhal or hibiscus plant, and then I'm going to add this onion water into this so just add some of the, and remaining I will add into my okra plant. So this is very good nutrition or liquid fertilizer for the plants. So let's add into the okra plant now. And this is my okra plant. So here you can see how beautiful okra is coming, and here is the new flower came out. It's okra plant, and this is beautiful bhindi okra is coming. And I'm going to add this onion water into the roots of this okra plant. So this is really good fertilizer for the plants. Maybe I will keep in this one also. These are very small baby plants. Let's give them some water. This side also remaining one. Next important thing is which I made red onion water into the spray bottle. So we can, here you can see there are ants are coming. So there are many ants come in the okra flower. So to remove the ants, चींटियाँ बहुत आती हैं, ये देखिए. So इसमें I spray this water. So here I spray this water. Let's see from this side. So we can spray this water. To remove all the ants, then ants don't come. We can spray some of them on the leaves also. If here you can see, they don't like this smell, and it doesn't hurt for the plants. So this is a very good, bugs don't come, and we can spray this on every leaves. So this is the way you can utilize this red onion. In this one also I can spray. So here you can see this how beautifully I use this red onion water for as a fertilizer for the plants. I hope you will like it, and if you have any comments, please share with me, and thank you for watching.